Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Over the Seas. For those who have already subscribed, thank you so much. For the newcomers, please subscribe. A lot of good videos are coming up soon. So today we came to Rainbow Village. So this is the most Instagrammable place in Taichung. A lot of foreigners who visit Taiwan definitely come here and take a lot of photos and videos. So let's go. About 10 years ago, this place was literally unknown to many people. Since 5 years, it's attracting about 1 million people in a year. So we came early in the morning to avoid the crowd. So here we see that a man is wearing an Iron Man helmet and colorful clothes. He is playing the guitar and entertaining all the visitors. Here we see that there are different kinds of paintings on each wall. These are all painted by one man. He is also known as Rainbow Grandpa. So as we see, even the lanterns are painted in the same theme. So in September in Taiwan it's very hot, so maybe people came here early so to avoid the heat. As you see, the climate is very pleasant right now. Do you know how this Rainbow Village came into existence? So let's see. This is the man behind Rainbow Village. He is also known as Rainbow Grandpa. His name is Huang Yongfu. He was born in China and he was in military. So he fought Sino-Japanese War and World War II for China. After the wars, he fought for the Nationalist Party against Communist Party. When the Nationalist Party lost, the party along with 2 million people, or you may say followers, along with the families, came to Taiwan. For military people, these kind of villages were created. The Rainbow Grandpa stayed here for about 40 years. It became a home for him. He stayed along with 1200 other families. These are the brushes and aprons that he used while painting the whole village. When he started living over here, there were about 1200 households, but after few years they started moving to other places and some few of them died. So he felt very lonely and started painting a few cats and dogs on his own house. After the Rainbow Grandpa stayed here for 40 years, the Taiwan government decided to demolish all the military villages in Taiwan to build some domestic apartments. But he wanted to preserve this village as it was his only home. So he started painting all over the village. So that's how Rainbow Village was formed. In 2010, some local university students came across this village and met Rainbow Grandpa. So after hearing the story from him, they were inspired and wanted to share this on Instagram and other social media. It became really viral and many other students came over to help. So they filed a petition to save this place. The government had to listen to the students and this place was not demolished. This came a tourist center recently and a lot of tourists come here. So this is one of the souvenir shop. So these are Rainbow Village themed t-shirts. Then there are mugs, coasters. These cost around $350, 350 NTD. These are 200 NTD. These are cup sleeves. These are very famous in Taiwan. And here we have napkins and their bags, different kinds of rainbow themed bags, and their caps. These are 750 NTD per each piece. There are also Rainbow Village themed umbrellas, and there is also a discount going on when we went there. If you buy 500 NTD, then you get 50 NTD discount. And there are also luggage tags and their stuffed toys, their wallets, and their pillow covers, their stickers, magnets. Here we have another stall. There is a beautiful painting over here. So here we have a lot of postcards, lot of notepads. There are also 3D postcards. There are umbrellas again. And there are stickers, posters, and there are some amulets, pens, and then there is masking tape and luggage tags. And we also have some fridge magnets. We actually took some fridge magnets from here. Then this is a 3D magnet. This is the first house from where he started painting. So it's really special. So here we see that there is an ice cream shop over here that sells rainbow colored ice cream. It's very colorful. There are different colors available. So we took this one. He's enjoying the drink and ice cream. So by the time we came out, there were a lot more tourists. So that's all about the story of Rainbow Village and how it was formed. Hope you liked it. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. As we know that there is a huge increase in COVID cases in the world, please stay home, please stay safe. Nothing is more important than someone's life. Don't underestimate coronavirus. We recently lost our grandfather due to this. If you have old people at home, please stay home and don't go out because it's a risk for them. If there is some emergency or an important thing to do, please follow the precautions when you go out. We don't want anyone else to face the pain that we are going through. Please stay safe. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share.